morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here again another video review for the popular H76 smartwatch, very trendy smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here, it looks trendy, looks fashionable, and for me it scores 8 out of 10 in terms of the design. Very beautiful, fashionable smart band slash smartwatch in one look, wearable. Okay, so this time, after we are done with the unboxing as well as the review of its menus and features, we're going to focus now on the support app. Let's install the smartwatch in the Android platform and see whether this smartwatch do have a smooth installation of its support app in our smartphone, particularly the Android smartwatch. So we have here the user manual. Okay, so it is available in different languages. So we have here the support app, the Dafit support app. Okay, if you happen to lost the user manual, okay, we also have here the support app in the settings. Okay, so again, let me show it to you. Go here, others. Okay, let's have a focus on the display. And we have here the app or the QR code. So just scan it and you can download the app right away. Okay, or just search it on the Google Play, the Dafit app. Okay, so we already have here our Dafit app. Okay, let me show it. So we have here, okay, or adjust the screen display so you can. So we have here the Dafit app. So this is the UI of the Dafit app. Okay, so let's see if we can install it. We can install the H76 smartwatch. Okay, or we can pair it with the support app. Again, this is an Android. This is in Android platform. Okay, so just search Dafit app in Google Play or scan the QR code. We already showed you the QR code here. If you happen to lost your user manual, it's available here on the smartwatch. Okay, so let's go here. So again, the Dafit app, we have the step, sleep, heart rate, what else? Blood pressure here, blood oxygen, and the sports monitoring function here in the UI. So on the second here, okay, we have the device. So as you can see here, it's looking for our previous smartwatch. Okay, the magic tree. Let's remove it. Okay, remove. Okay, you have not linked a device. So I think it's time to connect it. So tap on the add device here. Make it sure that you have turned on the Bluetooth functionality. Okay, so we have here add device H76. Okay, are you sure that it is the H76? Okay, so let's check the address here. So we have here the DE19. Okay, let's have a focus. DE19 4D. Okay, that's our MAC address. So tap on it and it is connecting. So we'll see. Okay, so it is connected. No issues at all. Very fast connection. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so notifications, turn it on. So we have here messages. We already activated it. Facebook, Twitter. So it also supports WhatsApp here, Skype, Instagram, Line, KakaoTalk, WeChat, and other applications. Okay, for the alarm, you can also at least set 3 alarms here. Other options, we have find device. So let's see. So did it look for the device? I guess you need to activate the vibration here so we can test. Again, let's check if it's working. Okay, I did not feel anything. It is just as active. It is just activating the screen. Let me show it to you. Okay, so there's some vibration. You see it? Can you hear it again? I hope it buzz or something. It beeps. What else do we have here? You can also set the continuous heart rate detection, quick view. Okay. So also have a drink water reminder support, weather. For the female, we have the physiological cycle reminder. Okay. Let's see. So do we have watch faces here? More watch faces. Oh, we hope there are available watch faces. Okay, so there are available watch faces for the H76. So pick from digital to analog. What else? Okay, so I think we also have animated. We have, okay, I like this one. It looks great. So you need to download it first, and on our next video we're going to show it to you. We also have, I hope we do have a custom watch face for this one. Okay, we'll try to find out next on our next video. Okay, so we have here the profile, so you can synchronize it with Google Fit. Okay, as you can see here, we have the option. We have the goal settings also here, so you can set your goal settings. If it's 5,000 or 10,000 steps a day, you can set it. What else? We have the heart rate, so it automatically synchronizes here. Okay, the results. Let's see. Okay, let's activate it. Okay, so it is activating. So let's try. Again, let's try. Okay, measure. So it is measuring. Can we see the result? Let's see if it will synchronize. The data will synchronize here in the support app. Okay, so let's check. Okay, it did not show. Oh, I think it's only here. Okay, but it did not show in. Okay, so we have here. Okay, we have here. Okay, you need to update the page first. 75 beats per minute here. Okay, so for the blood pressure, let's see. Measure. So it is measuring. So we have here the systolic and diastolic. We do hope that they have an animation here showing going up and down. Okay, while measuring your blood pressure. Anyways, let's see if it can show. Okay, so we have here, so 122/76. Okay, so far, let's see, it shows or it's synchronized with the app, the results. Okay, so far no issues with the connectivity of your H76 smartwatch to your Dafit support app. Again, this is an installation or pairing of your H76 smartwatch to the Dafit support app in Android platform. If you have any issues with the connectivity, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we have the time. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch news and reviews. Again, this is your H76 smartwatch. Bye.